This is what we saw on our nature walk. The things that we found, flowers, more flowers. I'm looking at the duck teachers. This is the lizard.
Okay, go ahead. You want to try to feed it to the turtle? Where do you think he's going?
I don't know.
Where do worms like to live?
They live in a cave.
In a cave? Where do the worms in your story live? Do you remember?
They live underground.
Yeah, in the dirt. Maybe he's looking for some dirt to dig into. Can he dig into the concrete?
Oh, he can dig into that dirt.
Yeah, the concrete's too hard, but if he gets over to the dirt, he might like that. Say, go little worm, go. Wow. Did it fall on there? Do you see other pink flowers?
There's one right here.
Yeah, that one just fell there, right? What color are the other flowers?
I saw really purple flowers.
Beautiful.
Teacher, this is moss going on the tree.